Hi ladies and boys, welcome back again dari sa tuang YouTube channel ug karon another confession na sab ang atong basahon. Pero before that ay kalimot sa pag-subscribe sa tuang YouTube channel ug sa pagtuplok sa notification bell aron updated mo kanunay. Ug syempre kung namin mga opinions, reactions, shoutouts, pwede kayo na ninyo nga i-comment down below kaya ato na siyang basahon sa sunod nato nga video. O karon ladies and boys, aniya na ang confession nga akong basahon karon. Hi bye, og sa tanang mga naminaw karon. I am taking this opportunity to share my story while I'm still drunk with the thought of you and me, of us. I am Kay. I have a girlfriend. Ex-girlfriend for almost 5 years. 5 years akong gihatag para niya. She was great, dazzling, and believe kaayo ko sa iyahang pagkatinuod. I was a nerd back on those days. Who would have thought nga ang baduy nga parehas nako makauyab o grabe ka chicks nga babaye. Butan, altruist, and grabe ka generous. Mong nakaingon ko ni Lord, nga dako gyud kay kog pasalamat nga imo siyang gihatag para nako. We have a cliché love story. Started from me, pretending to be a different guy. Texting her all day and night. In short, we started as textmate. Katong time nga nakipag-meet siya nako, nakuyawan ko kay wala ako'y ikapanghambog intawon sa kong kaugalingon. Akong medals ra intawon pag high school. Unya, unsa man akong laban sa uban nga lalaki. I have a lost pants, dirty shoes, 90s large polo, and a round eyeglasses. Sus Ginoo ko, mahadlok man gani mo dool la ubang tawo nako tungod sa akong pagka-weirdo. Then pagkita na namo, abi kog she was one of those girls nga cool guy antay. But she was not. To make the long story short, nagka kami. She changed me. From the way I dress, my looks, my haircut. Everything. She even loved me more maong nakaabot mi og almost 5 years pud taon. Smooth ra ang among relationship, like normal couples. Little arguments like, asa ta mga on? Ako lay bayad. Asa ta mga laag? Pila ka buok atong anak? Ayaw diha kay sakit. Ayaw diha kay gilok. And etc. We had movies, spontaneous and organized sex, dates, future plans. I love her every day. Wagyud ko napulaan. Then one day, she went cold. Dili ko bugo para dili makahibalo nga walay problema na munduha. Ahak siya. Ingnon pa kog, naunsa man ka? Unsa may problema nimo? Bisag siya ang naay problema. Mukalit lang og dili na mo text. Dili na magparamdam. For 3 months. She asked for a space because ganahan siyang i-discover what she really want. Alone. I missed her. And it hurts that bisag uyab mi, wala ko'y mabuhat. Nagparaya na lang ko. For 3 months, nag-rigor akong utok. Walay tarong tulog o kaon. Then after 3 months, kinibalik siya na ako. Thanks God that we're fine again. Pero in spite that she's in the reach, it felt like she was too far. Dili na kay siya motingog. Di na siya magpahikap. Everything changed. Then one day, nagtapad mig katulog. I checked her phone. I found 2 guys' name. I felt cheated. As in sakit gyud kaayo while I was reading the whole conversation thread of both guys. I learned that she was cheating on me long before we are still in 3 years. I learned nga the reason why she asked for that 3 months kay 2 months siya sa Batangas with her one guy and 1 month for the other guy in Bohol. My tears fell. Few months have passed na wala gyapon ko ni give up niya. So silly of me pero I just love her so much. Even though I was cheated, siya gihapon akong gipili. One day, I saw her crying. I asked her if she was okay, then she asked me to go away because she wanted to be alone. After a few minutes, kinigawa siya sa room. And she directly told me, dili natakalove. The pain overtook me until I felt empty. Uga ka siyang gingnan, nga I know. Nashock siya sa akong reaction. She didn't see that coming. Magdangota na siya sa kuha. Nga how long did you know? Mitubag ko. For a while. I know the reason why you are crying. Nag-away mo sa imong other guy. I know that you are confused kung kinsa nilang duha imong pilion. It hurts pero I know this will linger for a while. I have no regrets kay gibuhat nako tanan just to make you happy. Nihilom ra siya. I wiped her tears and kissed her for the one last time. Then she apologized. Ningon siya, sorry. I should have told you earlier. Please forgive me. Ako siyang gitubag. Nga hagbay na takagi pasaylo pangga. I will not ask you why you did this to me. You're a human. You're flawed. I completely understand. I just felt sad nga I was not the man for you. Magnungota na siya sa kuha. Nga what should I do? Ako siyang gitubag. Nga ikaw ray nakabaluan na. I hope makapili na ka kung kinsa nilang duha. Goodbye. I know it's mean to walk out in that kind of situation, pero I'm so done with her. She asked for it. I thought it hurts to be a choice. A second option. A palipas oras. But it hurts more to be none of the choices. You will never understand. You will never know. Nganong mang-cheat man jud mong mga babae? Nganong dili man mo makontentog isa? Duha, gusto jud tulo. Bitaw. Hais. Usahay jud. Musugot ta nga option na lang ta. Musugot ta nga ikaduha rata, ikatulo rata. Kaya tungod lagi love kay nato ang sa katao. Pero wala jud na siya ipadulngan. Wala. Masakitan ra ka. So kung naa ka sa situation o sa relasyon karon nga option ra ka, nga nag-cheat imong uyab or partner, nga kabit ra ka, damn, ayaw palabig dugay sa inana nga sitwasyon o relasyon. Masakitan ra ka ug mas masakitan pa.